at the airport right now. I'm not really live. This is the airport right now. This is the airport. I'm in the airport right now. And I'm scared to the airplane. Because when you're gonna fly and you're gonna land and you're gonna get death. And this is my brother. I'm in the airport. Say hi to my mom. I'm in the airport right now.
Use this mo, you forgot your shoes. Dun?
Wala sa lamigos. We're in the airport. Do you know where I'm going to? We're going to Palawan. This is our maletas. We're going to Palawan because I live in Philippines. Yeah, I'm in the airport. I'm not really lying. Oh, I'm really cool. That's not someone. That's not my family. My dad is already in Palawan.